The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. There is a jeweled wheel on top of it, resting in the style of a construction of mirrors. It has 2 sets of 32. They have a seed of coolness at their centers, and are surrounded by the wheels of peace. Both have 8 leaves shining brightly. There is one for each of the 3 wonders there are in having the wisdom of the dominion of the Dharma in our spirits. Spheres of light rays and putri om are in the way of tents made of bright silk. What seem to be magical eyes and apre hum are in the way of stringing blue crystal beads. You must know that the sliver of the dark red moon in the shape of a bow is bridu om. The 6 classes of sentient beings do not understand this. When we understand our bodies, speech, and minds are blended in non-duality, this is wisdom. Through knowing their 4 parts, there is a basis for the 8. You must understand them using the way of illusions. After the seed of the heart essence blazes in light, we abide in the heart essence of the indestructible circle. We remain on this level, where our breath and the rest are self-liberated, on the level of pervasive and encompassing wisdom. From out of the mandala of the twin 13s, there emerges the mandala of luminescent wisdom. This unites the symbols for the wheel of 16. Then there are those that bend downward or twist upward, the 10 or the 4 pairs. All these dharmas are of the taste of the wisdom of the 5-fold luminosity. In the mudra of all the dharmas that carry spells, we complete the parts concerning blessings and the granting of empowerments, and there, in the taste of happiness, which comes from an awareness of uniting with what we adore, there are these 2 parts, the occurrence and the engagement. The pair of 8s, the pair of 4s, and the 2 16s are born together in their own luminosity. The samadhi on the bliss of desire is pleasant. This is a transmission on self-luminescent wisdom that has no contradictions. They do not get the meaning of what it is to have no cause or conditions, but they are superior with regard to the ways of ornaments and things. They use a follow-up yoga, the nature of which is our dominion and our wisdom, to look at things in the way of their purity of cause and result. They use the power of the samadhi of light to go to the level of Vajrasattva.